The car you are driving today is the result of a century of automotive evolution. Comprised of up to 15 different types of steel, sometimes even aluminum, magnesium, and carbon fiber, your car is also fitted with microprocessors and dozens of sensors that collect critical vehicle data. All these systems are designed to keep you and your occupants safe in the event of a crash. This makes the cars of today exponentially more complicated to fix than even just a few years ago. Now, more than ever, your safety depends on selecting the right body shop to repair your vehicle. Unfortunately, not every body shop has made the necessary investments to stay current, and there are fewer repair facilities qualified to do OEM-certified repairs. The body shop you are about to see is the result of over 30 years of body shop evolution. Its factory-like approach to car repair was designed specifically to repair all cars and trucks quickly and with strict adherence to OEM repair guidelines. Let's take a look through this auto body repair facility of the future and learn how we can fix your car today. Once you arrive at 3D collision centers, you should take your license and insurance card with you to meet the receptionist. He or she will take these documents and begin the paperwork. From there, you will be brought over to meet with your repair consultant. While this is happening, we wash every car that comes in for drop-off, which allows us to properly assess the vehicle damages, including any damages that may be hidden under dirt or grime. We want the customer to be a part of the process so that they understand what is involved in their repair. Our repair consultants will take each customer to their vehicle in the check-in aisle, walk them through the damage, noting any pre-existing damages, and write a thorough blueprint of the repair. After that process is completed, you will return to the reception area where we have a staffed enterprise rental car desk to get you set up with your rental. Or if you are here for a repair while you wait, we have complimentary beverages and office workspaces to work remotely while your car is repaired. The next step for the vehicle is blueprinting, which is a process of methodically disassembling a vehicle to write the most accurate estimate possible and ensures that all vehicles will be fixed as fast as possible and with strict adherence to OEM guidelines. Blueprinting is also the moment we compile the most up-to-the-minute repair plans and procedures from the manufacturer and get the team brought up to speed on that repair plan. Moving on to the parts department, it is worth noting that as repair parts arrive, we do a complete visual mirroring where we match all new parts to the old parts to ensure that they match exactly. The time to catch parts ordering mistakes happens right here in blueprinting. If you look up, you will see our production office offering a 270-degree view of the shop. This allows our production department to keep eyes on all the vehicles in production to ensure that we meet every delivery date. Following completion of the blueprinting stage, the vehicle moves over to metal repair. The metal repair bays feature 2 Flex 35 frame machines and 2 Carliner frame machines utilizing a full complement of Carliner frame tools and OEM-specific fixtures. We perform all unibody, frame, and sheet metal repairs here. In addition to steel, we have 2 specific downdraft bays for repairing materials like aluminum. This facility is equipped to handle the increasing use of aluminum and other exotic metals in high volume. The next phase is the fix line, where all surface reconditioning takes place. This is the heart of the shop and showcases our rapid repair technologies. Beginning with our 3 fly-dry robotic heating elements, these revolutionary units can speed cure material in minutes, greatly reducing wait times. Cars move down the fixed line system on special in-ground dollies, eliminating the need to start and move vehicles, further reducing cycle times. Note the lack of dust in each refinishing bay and throughout the entire facility. All sanding equipment is connected to Symach's self-contained, self-vacuuming sanders located at these power stations. Completed vehicles will continue to move down the conveyor system into the primer bays. Once inside the primer bays, 4 curtain walls drop from the ceiling while the booth begins to pressurize. Once the primer is sprayed, again the robotic Easy Dry travels along the length of the vehicle, heating only the primed areas and curing the primer in minutes. The Easy Dry system is 7 times faster than a traditional electric infrared dryer. It can dry a surface 32 inches per minute. As an example, it can cure the length of a vehicle's door in less than 2 minutes. The next 3 stations are for paint prep, where the car is taped up and ready for paint. Next, the car continues down the line into the revolutionary Spraytron, where paint can be applied and cured in a matter of minutes. Next, the vehicle is clear-coated and moved into the Combitron, where, much like a microwave oven, we can cure clear coat in only a few minutes. The Combitron is unique to the market because it uses a chemical reaction within the paint molecules to cure the clear coat rather than the traditional method that requires heat and time to aid solvent release and curing. Once completed, the car continues down the fix line where we denib and polish the panel to ensure that the finish is 100% perfect. The vehicle then gets unmasked and enters reassembly. Finally, we reach the reassembly area where technicians will reinstall all parts and assemblies. Services such as wheel alignments and all electrical and safety systems are checked and recalibrated. Before returning to the customer, the vehicle gets a QC check, a road test when needed, and then enters the detailing bay one final time. Our facility has the capacity to process 120 cars a week, and we can get your car repaired quickly. When your car needs collision repairs in the Philadelphia area, there's only one shop to call: 3D Collision Centers. Please contact us at 484-362-6000.